some lipsticks at a birthday celebration today. Hey guys, so we just got home from dinner and I wanted to, I don't know if you can tell, kind of like, look, like if it was windy, let's just say it was windy and your hair goes in front of your face and you go, hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Today we are testing out Superstay Vinyl Ink, right? Okay, here zoomed out, the colors look great. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie, I'm out, bye. Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Today we are testing out Superstay Vinyl Ink, right? I hear this is non-transferable, it is amazing, it is comfortable. I hear all that blah, 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 but I have never seen somebody actually do a true wear test. So we're gonna do a true wear test. Today is Eric's birthday, so I'm gonna put this on my lips, see if it transfers to the back of my hand, then we're gonna go to dinner and celebrate his birthday. I got two of the most popular shades here. One is called 20 Cox, 20 COY, and 40 Witty. I figured these are probably two of the most popular colors, so we're gonna put on the lighter shade and see what it looks like, and then I'm gonna put the darker shade right on top of it because I figured it's nighttime, we're gonna celebrate his birthday, and let's see, are they good? Do they look good when they mix? Should I wear them separate? I don't know. So let's go ahead and just zoom into my lips, putting them on and see what you guys think. Okay, so let's open this one up. Has just a regular doe foot applicator. Let's try it. That's a beautiful color. Honestly, I think it looks like it's pink in camera. It might not. But this is the most beautiful, like mauve looking color. It's like the perfect mauve for me. And it looks so good with my eyeshadows that I have pink in my eyeshadows. Very romantic. Pinks, anytime you wear pinks or mauves, is considered to be very romantic. So I'm gonna give this about 60 seconds to dry down. Then we're gonna see if it transfers to the back of my hand. It does have a really pretty shine to it. It's not super shiny. It's like more a regular old school lipstick shiny. As you can see, look. So you can see a little bit of light, not a lot. It looks good though. So I figured it's been, what, 45 seconds. We might as well try. Here's the back of my hand. Got just a little bit of transfer, not very much. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other color right on top of it, which is the 40 Witty. Let's go ahead and zoom in again. Completely different colors, you can see, very much darker. Okay, I'm zoomed out. The colors look great combined, as you can see, one on top of the other. They're two very, very different colors, but they're both beautiful. I would just say that this one is a deeper tone with a little bit more brown in it. And this is honestly like a true mauve. So let's give it like 60 seconds and see if it transfers. Since I layered them, I don't know if it's probably gonna take a little bit longer to dry. Okay, so it's been about 60 seconds. I think you know it's kind of dry when it becomes tacky. It like has this stickiness to it. I don't know if you can tell, kind of like, look, like if it was windy, let's just say it was windy and your hair goes in front of your face and you go, like that sticky. That's what I mean. Will it bother me? It's going to be like wearing a regular lip gloss where your hair gets stuck in your lips. That's fine. Let's go ahead and just do the transfer. See if it transfers. You can see? Ooh, okay. Well, there you go. Interesting. It transferred on the outer portion of it. I could see it transferring the inside because your lips are kind of a little bit more moist. I could see that. So give it 60 more seconds and see if it transfers again. But yeah, look at that. Wow, okay. As you can see when I do this, it looks like just gloss. It doesn't have any color. Okay, let's do another one right next to that one. Ready? I pushed all the way down. So we have a little bit of transfer, but considering that much is still on my lips, we're just gonna roll with it, okay? We're just gonna roll with it. Hopefully they do not come off. You can see that it just came off on the outer portion, not so much in the center of the lip. You know what, let's try one more time. Just, you know, maybe the third time's a charm. I'm gonna kiss though, I'm not gonna go like I was doing, I'm gonna kiss. So yeah, you can see just a pinch comes off, but the lips are still intact. But will they survive the food we're gonna go eat? We're going to a restaurant here in Las Vegas called Jerusalem. If you are local, you know of this restaurant. It's extremely popular. My husband calls it a Jewish restaurant because you see a lot of Jewish people there. They have a kosher food. It looks amazing. Honestly, I've been into this restaurant before because you guys know, I'm gonna keep it real. I do Grubhub on the side. My side hustle for more money. And I have picked up food there, and their food looks freaking amazing. And it is so extremely packed, and the people there are so extremely friendly. So the quality of food for them to always, I mean, must be amazing because they always have a long line outside the restaurant. You have to make reservations if you don't want to wait in the line. So I'm like, he's always wanted to go there. I'm like, let's go. It looked awesome. So we're going to test this out there. Hopefully it lasts. Hopefully it stays put all day. I'll let you guys know. So if you're in town, if you're in Las Vegas, check it out. Go to the it's called Jerusalem Restaurant. Just Google it. Hey, they get like a lot of reviews and everything seems top notch. Okay guys, so we just got home from dinner. This lipstick has literally been on for 5 hours. And you know what? I got my mirror right here. I'm actually looking at my mirror. It is 100% intact. When I say that, I mean 100%. There's no cracks in it. There's no nothing. We're going to do the test on the back of my hand though. Look at that. It's just like maybe a pinch, like a little bit of the gloss, maybe a tiny bit of the color. Let's do it on this hand. Look at this. This is so impressive. We ate, you name it, we ate it. We had olive oil that was drizzled on top of fresh hummus with chickpeas. We had steak, we had rice, we had wine. Yes, like amazing restaurant. The quality is just superb. But the fact that this lipstick actually lasted that long is so freaking amazing. Vinyl. Oh, well, actually, I just noticed right now when you put the two together, it says vinyl, which is kind of cool. It says vinyl all the way around, but so I'm just doing half and half. I'll post these colors down below. I'll post all their colors down below if I can find a link directly to their website or to Amazon or whatever. These are totally worth it. They are very comfortable. Is it still sticky? Let's see. Yeah, it's not as sticky, which is kind of interesting. Kind of makes you wonder if I can actually just put some powder, make it a little bit more matte, and I won't have any stickiness. You know what? Why don't I just do it while I'm here? Just have some Anastasia Beverly Hills loose powder right here. You guys can see. Okay, so let's just make it matte. See if the stickiness goes away, because sometimes that stickiness might be a deal breaker for you. Kind of take away the shine while I'm here anyways. Wow, that's pretty as a matte too. Let's try it. Freaking nothing. Let's try it. Like a little bit on the top. Maybe I didn't get the powder up there. Let's see. Freaking awesome. It's not sticky. You know what? If the stickiness was a deal breaker for you, I just showed you a way to make it not sticky and this thing to last all day long. To find an actual lipstick that lasts, doesn't come off, doesn't break. And trust me, I wasn't taking it easy. I was like chowing because I was hungry and I was drinking. I was not using a straw, that whole bit. Like really, really awesome. Anyways, I hope you guys love this video. I hope you love yourself because you guys know you are awesome. I love you. God loves you. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.